Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire and I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, and it is a Feel Unique sample service. So this is what it looks like. I've just ripped my address label off the front there, so a teeny tiny box. But if you're new to Feel Unique Pick and Mix, then I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about. But as always, if you've seen it all before and you just want to see what I've chosen, then I'll add a timestamp down below, so you're free to click forward. So it's not a subscription box, it's a sample service. So it costs £3.95 a month, and that includes shipping, and you can choose up to 5 beauty samples. Now on their website they have around 10 different pages, a huge mix of beauty, everything you can think of beauty related. So if you're looking for specific samples you want to try, say for instance makeup or even foundation, you can go to the side and you can use the drop down menu and you can search for the type of samples you want. Plus you can seek out samples that are going to be a little bit bigger than sachets. So I always opt for the tubes first, because you know they're roughly going to be about 5 mils or more. Especially when you're looking for a foundation, for instance, you want to have as much product as possible to try out. So yeah, so it's a really great service to try before you buy. Once your box is sent out to you, you'll get an email saying that the £3.95 that you've paid will be credited onto your account, so you're free to use that for any future purchases as well. So essentially you're getting 5 samples for free, and we've had some amazing samples. We've had some really great ones, and my favourites have been like Goof Proof by Benefit, you know, £10 mini. We've had one of those in there, so it's definitely worth checking out. There's no particular pattern to when they release the samples, unfortunately, so you never really know when they're going to drop the next load. But say if you order on the 1st of February, you're not allowed to order again until the 1st of March, unless you've got numerous accounts, that is. Then I suppose then there's nothing stopping you, is there? But yeah, definitely something to look out for. Any information I will link down below, so click on the show more, that bring up description, and it'll all be down there. So let's see what I got this month. Give you a quick look. Ooh, there, and then it's just got a little envelope in there. It says just for you from the partners, and I'll just give you a quick look. By Lens Store, so it's just like 10% off, so no, I'll keep that. I'll have a look into doing that, because I need some lenses. Hello Fresh, again, we get this in lots of boxes. And Wayfair, I love Wayfair. So yeah, what do we get? 10% off your first order for Wayfair. So the first item is a toothpaste. Now I was hoping, because it is 5 mils, I was hoping that it would be a tube, because it's quite handy to have a tube, especially if I go away for the night or something like that. But no, it's a little sachet. Power Smile toothpaste by Jason. In all honesty, I didn't know what to choose, and this is the very last item, and it says that it's a all-natural whitening toothpaste for healthy teeth and gums, tartar control, fresh breath and whitening. So yeah, no parabens, no SLS, it's all natural, and yeah, there's a big list there. So no, so that's the first item. So the second one is a Decure, and it's a Harmony Calm Organic, and it's a cream and mask 2-in-1 for sensitive skins. Now I haven't got sensitive skin, but I thought, oh, that'd be quite nice to try, or to keep it and maybe give to someone like my daughter, maybe, because she has got really sensitive skin. So no, so that's the second item I chose. So that's a face mask. And I chose a foundation. So this is Giorgio Armani, and it's Power Fabric, 5 mils, long wear, high cover foundation with SPF 25, and it's in shade 3.5, which I really like, because they didn't have many colour choices. Now 0.5 generally means neutral, so that's what the outer packaging looks like. So can't wait to try this. I have had a little dab on my hand and it feels amazing, and the colour just does look like it might suit me. So if you'd like me to do a review on this, please let me know down below, and I'll do that in the near future. So that's that item. So the next thing I got is a Lancome, and it's Absolute Precious Cells, and this is Intense Revitalizing Cream SPF 15, and again it's 5 mil. So you might not be able to see there. So what's it say? It's all in like different languages. It's got no extra information. So it's a revitalizing cream with SPF. So I'm assuming it's like a moisturizer cream. Then we've got a Guerlain, is that how you say it? Guerlain Paris, and this is Abelie Royale, and this Skin Defense Youth Protection with SPF 50. Long UVA, blue light technology, so it sounds amazing. I'm not too sure what it is. I'm not too sure what it is. I just saw it online and I thought, oh yeah, skin defense cream, SPF 50. So it'll be, so I'm assuming it's like just sun protection, isn't it? But this is a little 3ml, so you can see there's a lot smaller there. When I saw it, I thought it would be like a moisturiser with SPF in it. There's no colour or anything like that. Just a nice smell, just a really nice smell. So those are all the items, so I'll just gather them up. So I've got a Jason toothpaste sample, I've got a Guerlain skin defense cream with SPF 50, I've got a Giorgio Armani Power Fabric foundation, which I can't wait to try. Then I've got a Lancome, and that is, I can't remember what that is called, it's called Intensive Revitalising Cream with SPF. Is it 25 in that? And then I got a Decalor sensitive skin mask down there. So for £3.95, plus you get it credited back onto your account for any future purchases you make on the Feel Unique website. I think it's good. I think it's a right bargain. It is definitely worth checking out. I had a look on there earlier on and they have got Clarins stuff that have just come up as well. So same sort of sizes as these. So if you like Clarins, then yeah, there might be some items there. I think there's quite a few different Clarins things there. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, if you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.